Hello, English learners. Today, we're solving a classic mystery. Who, which, or that? Relative clauses. If you've ever thought, the dog who barks, or the dog that barks. Stick around, because we're about to solve this once and for all. What are relative clauses? Relative clauses are little pieces of information that describe a noun. And to do that, we use these three detectives. Who, for people. Which for things and animals. That for people, things, and animals. Who, people only. The teacher who is wearing glasses is my favorite. I met the artist who painted that mural. Not. The car who is fast. Cars are not people. Which, things or animals. I read the book which you recommended. The cat which sleeps on the sofa is very cute. Not. The girl which sings beautifully. She's a person, not a thing. That, both people and things. The movie that I watched yesterday was amazing. The person that called you is my friend. Quick trick. Use that if you want to be flexible. But use who for people if you want it clear and personal. Defining versus non-defining clauses. Now here's where it gets spicy. Defining clauses. Essential information, no commas. Non-defining clauses. Extra information, use commas. Examples. The car that is red is mine. I need that info to know which car. My brother, who lives in Spain, is coming to visit. I don't need that info to know who he is, it's just extra. Not. My brother who lives in Spain is coming. This sounds like I have many brothers, and only the one in Spain is coming. Quick tip. If it's extra info, add commas and use who or which. If it's necessary info, no commas, and you can use that. The person who is talking is my friend. The phone which is ringing is mine. The dog that barks a lot is cute. Perfect. Memory trick. People who. Things, animals, which. Both, that, but avoid that in non-defining clauses. The car that or which is parked outside is mine. The girl who won the contest is my cousin. The book that or which you gave me is fantastic. My cat, which is 12 years old, loves sleeping. Extra info, so we need commas. Awesome work, you cracked the case. And that's how you master relative clauses. Remember, who, which, that, like detectives finding the right clues. If you like this lesson, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Can you make a sentence with who, which, or that? I can't wait to read your best sentences. See you next time, English champions.